In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use the Windsurf Chat Mode. By following these steps, you will be able to initiate a chat session with ease and utilize the features available within the application. Begin by launching the Windsurf application on your device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will facilitate smooth communication during your session. Once the application is fully loaded, you will be presented with the main user interface. Next, locate and click on the agent option within the application. This button is typically found on the main screen, often positioned prominently for easy access. After clicking, you may notice a loading indicator as the application processes your request. After that, find and select the New Session button. This option is usually visible in the agent section. Once you click on it, a cascade code will appear on your screen indicating that the session is ready to be initiated. Make sure to take note of this code, as it is essential for the next steps. Once the cascade code appears, you can proceed to ask the cascade what you want. This interactive feature allows you to communicate your requests or questions directly, be clear and concise in your queries to ensure effective responses. And keep in mind that if your internet speed is slow, it may take a bit longer for the cascade code to generate or for responses to come through. Also, verify that you have sufficient storage on your device before starting the session to avoid any interruptions during your chat. And that wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.